Hello, it's Alethea. Thanks for coming. I have some fabrics and also I have two new patterns. Vogue 1719 is a jumpsuit pattern. I've been wanting to make a jumpsuit for a while, so here it is. We'll see how it goes. I really got to look at the details of it. Here is the line drawings on the back. And I'm interested in maybe bead long sleeve, I don't know, short sleeves. Really got to play with that. I wanted to fit right. Here are the body types here on the pattern. The pattern's labeled, let's see if it has a rating on it, average. The next pattern is a Know Me pattern. It's a new one. It's a jacket, Mrs. Jacket. Nice. Here are the line drawings on the back. And it's rated average. So let's get into the fabric. The first one is a cotton Oxford shirting. And these all came from Mart. And this is how this is looking. Then the next one is a twill. Kind of heavyweight. It's a cotton brush twill. And you can machine wash it. Kind of thick. Okay, the next one is a polyester vow. Also can be washed on a gentle cycle. I thought this was nice. A nice, pretty spring summer dress. Very, very lightweight. Beautiful line. Flowers. Beautiful. Just springy summer feel and look. So the next one is a jackal or jacquard. Very nice. Very flowy. Light. That's the back, and this is the front of the fabric. Very lightweight. Jacquard. And here's the last fabric. And it's a cotton denim twill. This is the back. It's so heavy. And this is the front. Thick and heavy. This is like overhaul material. Very thick. It's cotton denim, midnight blue. Very heavy, 60 weight. Is a metallic vowel. I thought this would make a nice top. Very thin sheer. Very, very thin. But beautiful material. I think it'll make an awesome top, even a dress, but you would have to definitely line the dress. This fabric is also washed on the gentle cycle. The machine, the manufacturer instruction says to wash on gentle cycle. Of course, the linen has to be dry clean. The vowel, gentle cycle. This is also gentle cycle in the machine. And this is also machine washable. And the shirt, and when I saw the shirt, and it reminded me of a shirt that I have in my closet now. This will make a nice button-down dress or shirt. This is also machine washable. So these things that I have today, I only have one to put in the cleaners. And here are the two patterns, the Know Me and the jumpsuit pattern. I want to thank you for watching, and I thank all of my new subscribers, and I appreciate you all. Thank you for joining Sail Along Sewing. At 7 something, and I said I will do a giveaway at every mark when I reach a mark of 100. Each time I reach a mark of 100. So it's time for a giveaway. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, comment below and let me know which one is your favorite fabric. And so, as I have promised, here are the little appreciation gifts for my marks of 100. You have a little pair of snips and your friend, the seam ripper, and my friend. So, it's only 2 people. Again, let me know in the comments if you're interested in the giveaway. And I thank you for coming.